Hello you guys, it's Alina here and welcome back to my cooking series. So in today's video we are making Chipotle cilantro lime sauce. So you're actually going to need only 4 ingredients. You are going to need just 1 jalapeno. I have a bag of them. You'll need 2 limes. You'll need half a bunch of cilantro and then sour cream. So the crazy part is that this is actually going to be made in the blender. So I'm going to pretty much show y'all how it works. Okay. I wonder if I have maybe I don't have to make it the butter. Y'all already have a lot of dishes. I don't want to make more dishes. I lied, actually, guys. We're gonna make it in the blender. Okay. So we have a Ninja Bullet or NutriBullet, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to plug her in. And then we have the blender. I know this is a big ass blender, but okay. So before we turn it on, we are gonna go ahead and just add our things. It's actually really simple. So the cilantro that we prepared earlier, going in. Kind of want to get all the leaves. That's all right, got majority. Gonna add both these limes. Also, something that I noticed about the limes is that if they're squishy to the touch, then they're gonna give you a lot of juice. If it's not squishy, it's not right. So that's something that I've learned today. So we are just gonna cut these limes. I'm so excited. I hope this tastes amazing. So, because these are coming out so juicy. Oh yeah, there is a lot of juice in that one. And that was just one freaking, that was half a lime. I was about to say, imagine what the others are going to do. I don't know if it's 1 lime or 2 limes. I'm just doing 2 limes because like I said, y'all know me. I like my shit extra limey. Wow, yeah. So, if you want to use lemon juice, or not lemon juice, if you want to use like lime juice, like not actually squeeze limes, use lime juice, you're going to use like 4 tablespoons. So, right, bam. So you can already see the juice is like up there. So. them, we are going to chop one jalapeno. That's it, because the last time I added 2, y'all, it was spicy as fuck. So you are just gonna cut it in half. And you're gonna pour out the middle. And then make sure you wash it because it comes out with a lot of seeds. And then you can just throw them in the blender. You don't really have to chop it, honestly. You're just chopping it open. So, oh wait. All right. Bam. Now we're gonna put, oh my god, what did I do with the lid? I never grabbed it. But here's a lid and we're just gonna blend that on low. It will get really loud. So far, you are just going to honestly freaking, I don't know. I was gonna say, I mean, you can really scrape it if you want. I don't think there's a point scraping it, but we're gonna turn up the volume, so we're actually gonna do it on medium. Be like really fine. So it's gonna look very liquidy. That's fine. You just want it to be very liquidy, but almost like no chunks in it, if that makes sense. So we are done using the blender, and then we're gonna put it in a container, a new container. So I'm just gonna pour it out for you guys. Oh. Oh, there's actually a chunk of jalapeno, it's okay. But, so this is the mixture so far. And then the last thing we have to do is add the last thing that we have to do is add sour cream. So we're going to incorporate it. So I'm going to use this going to use Daisy brand sour cream. And you see how it already has all that water? We're actually gonna use that actually in our sauce. So, yeah, I hate to do this, but I'm gonna grab another freaking spatula. And honestly, I don't know the correct measurement. So you're just gonna wanna go in like tablespoon by tablespoon. And we're slowly just gonna mix it. So honestly, I'm gonna try and shake it. Maybe that might help. So you want it to get a really, really light green. So that's how you know when it'll be done. So let's check. So, I mean, mine's really not that, it's not at the consistency yet. So I'm going to add a lot more sour cream. So, cause I noticed they do add a lot of sour cream to this. So, because they want to make the texture, cause the texture is like, it's, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like thick, but watery. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So, I'm just guessing and we're making sure. I'm guessing and we're going. Cause like, honestly, I don't know. Honestly, the texture doesn't even matter as long as it tastes the same, like we're good. So. Okay. So I guess it's like all. Oh shit. I made a mess. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm so sorry my video cut out, but yeah, so this is what it's supposed to look like. So it's obviously not, you know, thick like theirs are, but it's super good. So, but yeah, that is how you make the cilantro lime sauce. Anyways, that is gonna be it for today's video. So please make sure you like, subscribe, and click the post notification bell so you get notified when I post a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good night.